Okay, so this is an 8-way breaker box. Okay, so it is 8-way because it can accommodate 4 breakers or SPD. So let's try it. So you can accommodate it. So of course you can break out all of this. Okay, and when you break them out and you line them like this. Okay. So as you can see, it can take 4 breakers. So you see the space there, and you also see the space here. So it can take 4 breakers or SPD. So these two are breakers. This is a DC breaker. This is a protector. This is an SPD. This is another SPD. So it can accommodate 4 units of 2-way SPD, as you can see here. All right, so that's it about this breaker box. Thank you.